Question number 12. A solar panel transfers energy at a rate of 2.4 kilowatt. Power is given to be 2.4 kilowatt. To a liquid passing through it, the liquid then has a specific capacity. C is given. The temperature of the liquid is increased by delta T when it flows through a solar panel. What is the flow rate of the liquid through the panel? Whenever there is C and delta T given, first write down the formula. E is equal to mc delta T. Okay. Now power is given, so I can divide this by T, so that I can say this is equal to power. So here also I can divide by T. So what all is known? This is known to me. 2.4 into 10 cube is known to me. Mass is unknown. T is also unknown. Then C, what is C here? C is 4000. 4 into 10 cube. 4 into 10 cube multiplied by delta T. Delta T is over here. Now look at the answers here. This is gram per second, kg per second and so on. This is m by t is in kg per second. So this is what he called as flow rate. Okay, so therefore now this 10 cube and this 10 cube goes away. So you get 2.4 is equal to 4 into 6, which is 24 multiplied by flow rate. Let me call this flow rate as a let us say m by t itself, m by t, which I need to find from here. So which means m by t is equal to 2.4 divided by 24, which is equal to 1/10. What is the unit? Standard unit, which is kg per second. So 0.1 kg per second. B is the right answer.